Milwaukee facing a federal lawsuit over the death of a man in the back of an MPD squad car. Derek Williams was found dead in 2011, and it was ruled a homicide then, but no officers were ever charged. Jonah Kaplan looked through the lawsuit. He's live at the federal courthouse. Jonah?
Charles, this is the complaint right here. It names 12 defendants, 11 of them MPD officers, and then the city of Milwaukee. The timing of this is also significant because 5 years ago today is when Derek Williams died. This is dash cam video from July 6th, 2011. 22-year-old Derek Williams gasps for air and pleads for help from the two officers seated in front. 45 minutes later, Williams is pronounced dead.
The dynamic here is that the man should not have died.
The 22-page complaint blames Williams' death on MPD's, quote, unconstitutional policies, practices, and customs, and cites other cases showing, quote, a pattern of failing to provide timely medical attention. Specifically, the lawsuit argues the officers had, quote, erroneous assumption that persons in MPD custody who request medical attention were likely faking their condition.
Yes, we are alleging very affirmatively not only that the medical care was inadequate and not provided in a timely manner, but that he was also had unnecessary force used against him at the arrest.
A special prosecutor and federal attorney did review the case. A 6-member jury also ruled there was probable cause for charges against 3 officers, but that was a non-binding decision. The officers refused to testify, but they did argue their view of Williams in the back seat at night was not as clear as an infrared dash camera. The U.S. attorney called the case undeniably disturbing, but worried he could not prove the officer's guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. Williams' girlfriend and mother of his 3 children says the fight must go on.
My kid's been going through pain and suffering, and I'm ready for our justice.
Spokespeople for the mayor, the city attorney, and the police chief all declined to comment because this is now an open case in court. A trial could be more than a year away. We are live here downtown Milwaukee. Jonah Kaplan, today's TMJ4.
A case that will be closely watched. All right, Jonah, thanks.